Hi, today I'm going to review the Green Grocer, and I also got a surprise for you. So if that interests you, it's coming right up. Hello. Well, I got a surprise for all of you. I know right now you can see black, but I'm going to show what I look like. So I'm going to start showing my face because I've got my studio fixed a little bit now where I can do that. So here you are. This is what I look like. So my future videos will be like this instead of the normal hand thing. So now that I have a background. And if you're wondering what it is, it's actually a shelf with made out of Lego, and there's a couple mini builds on there. There's Simply Square, Town Hall, um, Boutique Motel, and Green Grocer. There's also a Back to the Future car. Basically, the ones I actually have. And I made some mini builds there, so they're actually life size on my background here. It's like large scale Lego. So anyway, what I'm going to do today is the Green Grocer. I built that, and I'm going to do a review on that. It's sitting right here next to me. Oh, if I can pick it up. I did have to do some change. Well, I didn't have to do some changes, but there are some I did have to do. And there it is. That's what it looks like. Let's see if we can get the screen there. Ah, little guy fell. I wanted to attach these to the people, but it was just too difficult to do. I've had this thing for about 3 years, and I've got on a nose plate. That's why I'm able to hold it like I am right now. I'm still kind of balancing it. So yeah, I did have to do some changes like this right here. I lost that. It was like a little thing there. Also, you probably see the umbrella in the background. It's supposed to be dark red. I happen to have a white one. I lost that. I lost a few pieces. But also these two lights right here are different. I think these ones actually look better than the original ones. On that, everything's original. Um, the interior, I did some interior design on the actually on both floors. So the third floor, I just put a bed in there because I didn't have a bed. We open that up. I'll show you. I think it's much better with. It's kind of difficult to get this off of here. I'm trying to figure out which one, where each level is. It's kind of a pain. There we go. There's the first level and the roof. The roof comes off separately. It's a little dirty there. It's been a couple days, so I'm gonna get these people off here. They might keep falling. So I'm gonna turn this thing sideways here for you to see it. Off. There, you can see right in there. We got a couch, a dining room table right there. My camera's kind of backwards. Got a dining room table right there. And also put like a little loft area. This thing's still a little dirty, not the question it was. You can see a little loft right there in the window. Like a little cabinet type thing that they can either sit on or open up and store things in it. And then also got a TV that I put right here. You can kind of see it right there between the curtains. And there's a box that, they're still unpacking. So that's all I added there. And then on the other floor, which I got to take the roof off, let me show you that separately. I'm just going to pull that off there. Put the roof off, it doesn't break on me. It's tough to get this stuff. Nice to catch. It's a little bit. This is one of the first monitors that there were. You can see it there. Let's turn it. You can see the bed right there. It's right here. I had a bed right there. I had to work with what I had. So it's kind of a funky looking bed, but it does work. Other than that, it has everything else. That comes with a clock right there. So I just kept it very basic. So we go ahead and put this back together. Pretty simple to put together. It's not too difficult to figure out. You see it snaps right together. The roof is what's kind of difficult because it's kind of funky shaped. So you got to kind of fit it into the windows. Those slots right there. And like I said, it's one of the first ones Lego made, and so it's kind of a little offset there. So you have to kind of work with it to get it in there right. I have problems getting it in myself down there all the time. Lock down. It's kind of a little weird. Once you right here is where it kind of comes. There it is. Anyway, so there you go. That's the Green Grocer, and it's actually a pretty fun build. In reality, it took me longer to do the furniture than anything else because I had to do that all by hand. But it's got these little textures here, which you cannot find those but with the Green Grocer. I can't get those anywhere else. Got little stairs in the background and somebody's calling me as usual. So yeah, and it's got curtains inside. A little store down here. Got the grocery store down here. So you got a post office here, or what could be a post office. You also got the walkway on the back. A little bit of walkway right. Let's get that in there, right there. Like a fire escape type thing. So you got a little area up there, like a little patio that maybe it's can eat or do whatever they want to do. I even changed the chairs too. They're supposed to be brown or red. I can't remember which. But oh no, actually no, they are yellow. That's right. So those are the originals. Only is the umbrella is different. So I had some little birds on it. Right here. A little bird right there. A little bird right here. So I had some additional details. So anyway, that's my review for the Green Grocer, and hope you like it. It is a very expensive set if you buy it right now, on eBay or something like that. I bought this one used back in 2020, I believe. It was one of my first ones I ever got. I got it on eBay. Or no, actually I got it locally. So I got a really good deal on it. I won't say how much I paid for it, but it was nowhere near $800 like it is now, usually. Nowhere near that. I got just a little bit over what retail was. So, it's like 2018 or 2020, I can't remember which, right before it started going up. So anyway, it didn't come with a box. It came just like you see it. It was actually already built, and I took it all apart and built it again. So, but that's it. Hope you like it, and subscribe, like, all that good stuff, and helps the algorithm and helps me out. So, thank you. Bye.
Please subscribe and hit that bell to be notified of videos I post. Thanks for watching.